Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the definite integral and how to evaluate a definite integral. Look, to find a definite integral of a function within some limits, first we have to understand what is indefinite integral. For this, let us consider a function f of x equals to x and x belongs to the set of real number r. Now, the indefinite integral of this function f of x with respect to x and this equals to x dx, this gives x square by 2 plus c, which is an integrating constant. And we know that by the formula of x to the power n, and it is very easy to understand a indefinite integral. Now, we draw the graph of this function f of x equals to x, and this looks like this is our x axis and this is our y axis, that means f of x axis, and this is our function f of x equals to x. This is the curve of this function, which is a straight line. And now we consider a definite integral. Definite integral is a special form of indefinite integral which is bound the region by two limits, Here the lower limit is a and upper limit is b, and we consider here a equals to 2 and b equals to 5. So basically the definite integral bounds the certain region and gives the required area, whereas indefinite integral is more likely a functional representation of area which is to be evaluated. So definite integral gives the numerical value of this region's area. So by definite integral we can measure the area bounded by the lower limits and upper limit of the x axis. So definite integral of f of x with respect to x, this equals to a equals to 2 integration to b equals to 5 x dx, and this equals to x square by 2 plus the integrating constant c, and it is evaluated between two limits of this integration which is to be bounded. And so this equals to 5 square by 2 plus c, the integrating constant, minus 2 square by 2 minus c, and c plus c minus c, positive c and negative c will be vanished. So the value of this integration now 25 by 2 minus 4 by 2, that means 2, and this equals to 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 is the region. So area of this region is 21 by 2 square unit. So therefore we clearly understand, so what is the main difference of definite integral and indefinite integral. So definite integral is nothing but the indefinite integral with bounded by two limits called lower limits and upper limit, whereas the definite integral, indefinite integral is a more likely a functional representation, because if we consider any value of x, then we can find the value of indefinite integral at some point, and it is more likely a functional representation, and it has a official name. It is called the integrating value or antiderivative, and antiderivative is calculated in both the integral form, definite integral form or indefinite integral form. So they are both interconnected, and I think this video helps you to understand in very basic level what is definite integral and what is indefinite integral and what are the difference between them. So if you benefited from this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon for latest video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.